sine of 4x is a composite function, so to find its derivative, we will have to use the chain rule, which I've written here for your reference. The derivative of f of g is f prime of g times g prime. In our case, with sine of 4x, f of x, the outside function, is the sine function. And then, of course, g of x, the inside function, is 4x. Having identified that, applying the chain rule is straightforward. So the derivative of sine of 4x is f prime of g. That's the derivative of the outside function, the derivative of sine, which is cosine, leaving the inside function, g of x, which in this case is 4x, unchanged. But then we multiply by g prime, the derivative of the inside function. The derivative of 4x is just 4, so that is our derivative, which we may prefer to write like this: 4 times cosine of 4x. Taking the derivative of composite functions with sine is straightforward. In general, it looks like this. The derivative of sine of a function u is cosine of u times the derivative of u with respect to x, just like we saw here. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and be sure to check out my Calculus 1 course and Calculus 1 exercises playlists in the description for more. Thanks for watching.